Hey, what's up YouTube? DIY guy here. Today we're going to be working again on my 2009 Toyota Rav4 Limited. There was a couple other jobs I wanted to do. This car has about 118,000 miles on it. So a couple of the jobs I want to do, one of them was to change the spark plugs in the previous video, but this one is also to change the PCV valve. So I'm going to walk you through that. It's a pretty simple change. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to get the PCV valve off is just remove the engine cover. And this is pretty easy. You're just going to pull up on the corners, and you can see that there's three of these holes, one in the back and two in the front, that hold it on. It's just pressure. So you can just pull that right off with no tools. And the second thing, it's a PCV valves right here. So really all we need to do is squeeze this together in order to pull the hose off. Okay, and there we go. Now the next thing we need to do is just unscrew this. All right, so this is a 19 millimeter, and it didn't quite fit in the regular socket, so I'm going to use a deep socket here. Now, on my VIN, there was actually two different PCV valves, and even the Toyota dealer couldn't tell me which one to get, so I actually have to bring in the old one here, and so that's it right there. I'm going to bring that up to them and get the correct replacement part. They needed to look at the old one. Alright, so I was able to get the, you can see this here. This is the one that fit my car. Brought it up to the Toyota dealer. It's only about a $12 part, so and I bought the OEM one. Just want to make sure when I'm doing some of these that I get the original parts, especially if they're cheap like this one. And that's really all there is to it. All I need to do is just torque it down and put the tube back on it. That's it. And once I put the engine cover back on, you can see that there, you can see these pins right here. There's one right there, one right there. So if you just line your cover up with those three and push it down, you can feel it seat on there. That's it. I hope this helps. So you can comment and hopefully subscribe to my channel and help me out. I'll make some more videos. Thanks.